Today, I'm giving this old phone back cover a brand new life with Resin Art. First, I cleaned it thoroughly using Odaclone. Before starting, I added a gold chain around the frame for an elegant touch. That part isn't shown here, but it's a key step for a neat finish. Next, I prepared my resin mixture using a 2:1 ratio of resin to hardener. Mixing slowly for 3 to 4 minutes to avoid bubbles. I divided it into 2 cups, one with purple mica powder and chunky glitter, and another with clear resin and chunky glitter. Both mixes were poured carefully to suit the design of the back cover. Letting it set for about 3 hours. I decorated it with a beautiful butterfly ornament, tiny flowers, sparkling stones, crystals, and gold letter stickers. Once the design cured for around 12 hours, I added a final clear resin layer for a smooth, glossy, and professional finish. And that's how this simple, used phone cover turned into a glittering, one-of-a-kind accessory. Thanks for watching.